You know, I've seen a lot of videos of people talking about their icks with different things, and I wanted to just, you know, bring that back a little bit here for French. Not necessarily icks, but things that I find to be very annoying in French. For one thing, the Passe Simple. Need I say more? I don't see why it should exist. The genders, I keep forgetting those. It's really annoying. For the life of me, I just don't understand why I need to know the gender of a random inanimate object. It's crazy. Liason in French is one that really gets me. I still don't understand it. I still don't get why sometimes it exists and other times it doesn't. I don't get it. The silent letters at the end of words that are not so silent. For example, out. Excuse me? What? Le fils, les ours. Excuse me, sir? We're all familiar with words in French that are spelled differently, but they sound alike. We know about those, right? And we're all annoyed by it. Let me introduce you to the words that are spelled the same, but they are pronounced differently. Because why is it je fais, en fait, en fait, au fait? Huh? Contractions in French. I literally heard someone contract 3 words to one single word. Why? That is crazy. My mouth literally can't say those things. My mouth physically can't say those contractions, and it's just really difficult for me. The next thing is Verlan. Okay, it's creative, I admit it's very creative, but at the same time, as a language learner, as a French learner, it gets on my nerves because it's very confusing. Why does it exist? Yeah.